Fujitsu CH Intel Evo Core i5 11th Gen 13.3 FHD Exopanel 400 nits thin and light laptop. A masterpiece on its own. Engineered in Japan, the CH series is expertly crafted for it to be high on performance and light on weight. It features a 3-side narrow bezel with an astounding load of only 988 grams and a thickness, or should we say, thinness, of a mere 15.88 millimeters. Take center stage and get things done on the go with your highly portable computer that doesn't compromise on features. Your productivity powerhouse. Your Fujitsu CH boasts a power-packed Intel i5 chipset with an SSD of 512GB for rapid, uninterrupted performance. Its quad-core processor helps you stand and deliver even the most difficult tasks with ease. To top it off, go above and beyond with its RAM capacity of 16GB. Watch colors come to life. Your ultimate entertainment experience starts from here. Immerse yourself in rich colors that are emitted from the 13.3 Full HD 1920x1080 display. Add to the premium visuals with an Exo panel and an LED backlit that shoots 400 nits of brightness. Now relish your favorite movies and shows with a display that's as sharp as ever. A battery life that just runs and runs. 53 Wh of battery that lasts for up to 8 hours, that is sure to wow you. Never let work or play stop even if there is no power socket nearby. Get through the day with ease because of an additional feature of being charged from a power bank too. Welcome next-gen security. Enjoy better security features such as AI-enabled facial recognition, making it okay to forget your password. Enjoy smartphone-like mobility in a device that's more than capable. Feel nothing short of futuristic. The possibilities are endless. Extraordinarily compatible, so the fun never stops, making it a great all-around choice. Take full advantage of its versatile HDMI connectivity, 2x Thunderbolt 4.0 supporting 8K video output, 2x Thunderbolt 4 Type-C, Wi-Fi 6, and much more. Go ahead and plug in a projector or use the bright and beautiful screen as a monitor for your gaming console. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.